I have been subscribing to what I think is the best newsletter in the world as far as the investment side, called Grant's Interest Rate Observer. And the most recent issue, I think on the 9th of May, was talking about a new stock called IZEA. I assume they pronounce it IZEA. What's so great about grants is that while they give an overall perspective on the investment outlook, do that well, every once in a while they will come out with a stock that is kind of right in our occasional speculator wheelhouse, and such is IZEA. IZEA provides marketing and advertising help to influencers, which are people, as I think we know, who can promote brands or promote products by having a podcast on the internet. And IZEA has been doing that business for 18 years and recently has appointed a new CEO because the company was losing money, and this new CEO has turned things around so that rather than losing, as I believe they did, something like $8 million in the September quarter of last year and losing $4 million in the last quarter, the December quarter, the new CEO has moved the loss down to a mere $140,000, number one. Number two, the market cap of the company is something like 46 million, and a company is so well financed that they have more than that. I think it's something like 50 million in cash and no debt. And third, the growth rate potential for the influencer area is strong. In the most recent quarter, their sales moved up to, I think, around 8 million for the quarter in the March quarter just released, which was up, I believe, about 15% year over year. And furthermore, one of the things that the new CEO has done has pulled back all of their non-US marketing and revenues to just concentrate for now on the US market, which in itself is enormous, meaning that down the road there's potential growth when they get back into the non-US market, the worldwide market, which of course in the internet is very available to everyone. And so to me, it's a very intriguing situation, and I thank Grants for their efforts to come up with fascinating deals that I'm sure many of their clients looking for bigger companies would not have an interest in. They did that earlier in a stock called Hallador, which at the time was a coal company. And shortly after they told me about it, I went out and bought a chunk of this stock at 60 cents a share. If you want to guess where Hallador is now, the stock is now $19 a share. I didn't, I think I got only like a triple out of it, which is another story. That's an example of what Grants can do. Grants did for me and Hallador, and I think there's a really good chance that they're going to do the same thing for all the readers of our newsletter for IZEA.